Galaxy S26 Ultra is on the way, and trust me, this could be one of the most powerful smartphones of 2026. Samsung once again is going all out with innovation, performance, and next generation AI features. Let's talk about everything we know so far. Okay, the S26 Ultra is getting a next generation anti reflective display, and according to leaks, this is the best display Samsung has ever made. No competition whatsoever. On top of that, Samsung is introducing something insane called AI privacy display. इस फीचर को आप सेटिंग से इनेबल या डिसेबल कर सकते हो। एआई ऑटोमेटिकली पिक्सेल्स एडजस्ट करेगा ताकि साइड से कोई भी आपका स्क्रीन इजीली ना देख सके। प्राइवेसी लवर्स के लिए ये फीचर एक रियल गेम चेंजर हो सकता है। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बिगेस्ट हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस डिवाइस एंड दैट इज परफॉर्मेंस। The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 made for Galaxy. Initial performance leaks suggest that this chipset is going to be extremely powerful, and final retail units are expected to be even better. Talking about design, the S26 Ultra looks quite similar to the S25 Ultra, but now it comes with a Z Fold 7 style pill-shaped camera island. The phone is expected to launch in multiple color options, including mint, orange, black shadow, white shadow, galactical blue, and ultraviolet. Honestly, the mint, orange, and ultraviolet variants are going to look absolutely gorgeous. On the front, you get a large 6.9-inch Quad HD anti-reflective display. Camera upgrades are also quite solid. With a new 200 megapixel primary camera featuring a larger aperture for better low light photography, a 12 megapixel 3 times telephoto sensor, a 5000 mAh battery, 60-watt fast charging, and One UI 8.5 out of the box. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch on February 25th, 2026, with sales starting in the first week of March. Pricing details have not leaked yet. So guys, which one would you choose? S26 Ultra or S25 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.